Okay, now correct my ways, Abio. Deputy material, 1 million yards. He will follow leaders to the promised land. Asue Ighodalo, show for us. Forward ever. If I swear they will prosper. And we know they go back. Asue Ighodalo for governor. Forward ever. Mama, if I swear they will prosper. And we know they go back. Asue Ighodalo for governor. Say we go vote for PDP. Oh yes. PDP. Oh yes. Vote Ighodalo. Oh yes. For integrity. Oh yes. Business go better. Oh yes. Good food on table. Oh yes. You go better mama. Oh yes. You go better papa. Oh yes. You go better pikin. Oh yes. For better road. Oh yes. If I swear that we will prosper. Allah, we know the go back. Asue Ighodalo for governor. Forward ever. If I swear that we will prosper. Allah, we know the go back. Asue Ighodalo for governor.
PDP. I'm not here now. PDP. Asue for governor. But I don't want to finish now. Who there? Ada who there? Ada who there? Where there? Hey, una remember many years ago, una they sleep for who there? Not be so kidnapping they did this road. The first responsibility of any government now security, safety of life and property. Since our government, PDP government, don't enter Edo State, everything when we're supposed to do to make sure say safety day, we don't do them. The situation is so bad for this road that hey, I'm gonna hear what you talk. When I remember, I said the situation they bad 2-3 times a day. They must kidnap somebody for this road. When I forget, as soon as government we sleep. Today it still they happen. Whenever I bring army base here. That's now waiting progressive government they do. With the security when we don't enjoy small. Nobody make all these other people come in, they come they do business and farm for here. So we don't work for the last 8 years. We don't repair something. Even look this place. That's what it be before. The nurses say council they try. The small money when we get for a dough, we use them to do all the things when they see. Security, education, the best people they here, teacher that they here, beginner they learn for school now. What we never do for now. Now plenty pass the one when we don't do. But we don't start. One government not finish everything. However, we must move forward. Because if we get one government, do better, it make progress. Another government come, they can't do anyhow. Chop the money, what will happen? We will go back. Now it make me say, after all the work when we don't do, we not go back. For us not to go back, we need to find somebody. We need to find people when people when because when they sabi, they go do. When they sabi, they go do it for us. Now make me go look for Asue Ighodalo. This man. Yes, oh. Yes, oh. They say he resemble me. They say he be like me. They say he no book like me. No, he no book past me. Now make me go find a come to say, I beg, work day. I know say a big sacrifice for you. All these things when you don't achieve, be one of the best lawyers for Nigeria. You get money, you be chairman of many companies, banks, all. I say, but our people still they suffer. Help me, come continue the work when I start. Now you look up, you look down. You say, there's more to life than money. Make a good serve. So, oh there, make una help me thank him. And the world I go thank him, una know what to do. As if that not rich, we say, okay, this man, it does come. It come since 2008. He don't deal with me for economic team. He don't be chairman of our Laudaro. Now I say, you still need support. Because when I be governor, as I be governor now, that's why I get support. I get somebody when he support me, like say in the work for himself. Who be that person? Who be that person? Now, our incoming deputy governor, Osarodioge Esquire. This man, they said I want to begin to. What here I be? What here I be? You see, this man, Osarodioge, he did there from the beginning. He stand gidigba. There is nothing in this government where you don't know. Okay, don't be commissioner for this state. Commissioner for work, so you know every corner for Edo. He don't be chief of staff. So you know how governor office they work. He don't be secretary to government. How about? Who get capacity passer? So, with a man like this, when you get capacity, when can they work with a man like this, when Sabi, what thing we go get? Prosperity. Prosperity that we go get. Now, because of that, now I come today to say, I present to you the people of Uhunmwonde, the next governor of Edo State, by the grace of God and the votes from the people of Uhunmwonde, Dr. Asue Ighodalo. Because me too, I don't become Pekin of Uhunmwonde now. Because I hear my governor say be Pekin. I hear my deputy say be Pekin. Which one be I come be? You be from here. I be here. You know the person wey born me? Now by Masoke born me. You know what by Masoke house, eh? We take number. So number 1 day up to number 25. So me I be number 4. I be number 4. So anytime when I see me, make I just call me number 4. I thank all of you now well. Oh. You know where we did now for this Edo State? Obaseki don't work, build foundation. Like say we want build 100-story house. You don't build and go down. You don't come up. We don't see. Say, maybe we just carry that 100-story. Don't put cement. Don't put block. Don't carry them up. Edo State don't reach where Edo State won't hammer. Where Edo State won't fly. You know, the thing where in government, Obaseki government don't do where we fit waka for road, no more kidnapping, no more waga, no more maga. You know what it go mean? It means say business go come. When business come, you know what that mean? It means say work. It means say work go. When work come, you know what that mean? Hey, my sister, you like money? Oh. It means say money go. When money come, what did that mean? Enjoyment and waiting, prosperity. So we thank our governor. The work where we go do now, not even plenty so much again. Because the hard work, they don't do them. I want to make sure, say, everything, don't follow the same road. You know, say, when you get road, and you begin look left and right, and you go past corner, go enter bush, enter gutter. Everything is spoiled. Don't be so. Your motor spoil, your body spoil. People there with you spoil. Now the thing will not go happen be that. We go follow the road, make sure say we hammer. How many of you now come beneath for weekend and I see that Rema show? That boy now one of us. Now like this the day with one of us. I see some prospective Remas where governor they talk to them just now. I take God begging now. The good hope, the good grace, the blessing where God don't give us, where He don't begin walk through Obaseki for us, make we not take our own hands spoil am. Yes, when God won't come down from heaven, use person to benefit you, He go point at the person. Then He go point at you, say this not the person. Then you fit wake up, say you don't want to go that place. Now your hand the deal. God don't bless us for Edo State. God don't give us this for Edo State where people will no get what people no get. He give us brain, He give us land, He give us agriculture, He give us mineral, He give us with a build port, He give us good things, He give us electricity. Then God come give us sense through our leader and through all of you now. And then we say we don't want prosperity. Haba. Everywhere for this Edo State now, you go carry your phone now, internet. You fit talk to your brother where they Hawaii. And I know where Hawaii they. Hawaii they the back of the back. The other day, I dey look governor. I say, which kind of magic be this? One person says something they do for waste. So governor with some doctors, then they there. Then they one village. Now they press button. Now our Nigerian doctor for Chicago, they talk to them. They say, okay, touch this place. Is it paining you? Yes. Touch this place. Is it paining you? The man say, okay, I diagnose. Okay, you have something. Now governor say, okay, our doctor here, treat him. So Oyibo doctor, they talk to our patient. Our doctor treat him. Which time that one come to this country before? Don't be for Edo State. You know what did that mean? Before we fit do that thing, they don't lay over 3,000 kilometers of this way that they call fiber optic. So that we can talk to anybody, see anybody. So as they fit, you know, our Nigerians, when I go diaspora, they tell them, they say they go teach from their secondary school. They go teach from their university. No be prosperity be that. One thing we dey look for again, no be prosperity. So, make all of us take our tongue, count our teeth. You know the only one thing where I want to talk. Person way na abuse, they abuse. Where they not talk wetin they want do. Where they not get plan, when they don't go talk how they go bring light, how they go bring water, how they go do road, how they go bring school, how they go bring ports, how they go do tourism, when they don't go talk all those things, how our life go better, how the price of food go come down, how we go feed chop 3 times a day. Even person want chop 4, go chop 4. Men when they chop 3 meat before, when they see meat again, how we go get meat back. Now they don't talk all those things. They don't talk how we go remove suffering. They think of themselves. They abuse other people and they think of themselves. How they go chop money, how they go share post, how they go chop our money, how they go take our money, build house. Now in there they think. How we want those kind of people to come back here?
How? When nobody say God don't mean well for us, God mean well for us. So all of una take God begging now. Our party chairman don't talk how we now go vote, how we go present. So I don't go repeat them. But make we serious. Make we love ourselves. Because we don't get leaders who love us. That's why we pay the problem where we pay. Because when I remember last year January, somebody just wake up one day saying he want change currency. He come out the money with their hand, he don't give us money back. Waiting then do so, they turn us all into poor person. If government love you, they go turn you to poor person. Till today, many of us still never recover from that poor person. So we don't want people who want to turn us into poor people. We go work hard, we go rich by ourselves. Make nobody turn back the hand of time. He don't do. He don't. He don't. So we thank all of you now. And we promise you now, myself and Osorodion, we promise you now, say by the grace of God Almighty and by our support, as there are plenty here and we plenty outside, by our support, we go turn this Edo state into a first world Eldorado where everybody, no more suffering, no more pain, no more kidnapping, no more party. We promise you now, me and this my brother, we promise you now, making her hold us to our promise. Because 4 years go so rich quick. If we don't pass exam, if we come again, making us say fail, they go. Abi, 4 years go far, you know, take. So by God's grace, we will come here. You know what I go talk? Carry go. So we thank you now. I want to make you thank Obaseki for us. So everybody throw your hat up, say Obaseki, we thank you. Obaseki, God bless you. And then all of you are here, we go support and vote for us. Make we carry them up. I thank all of you now. I thank all of you now. I thank our brothers. We come from Arewa, our brothers we come from Benue, our brothers we come from Igbo. All of us were one.
PDP! Asue for governor! Orhionmhon! Our papa and our mama will be here. Gonna clap on ourselves, we have to try. Because we don't expect this kind of crowd, but we overdo them. All our leaders, we don't talk since, they don't talk the main thing. Now small, now I can't talk for inside. We now remember 2020, for talk about movement. Now all of you now wait there, so now do them. I've been alive. This one will go, so now talk about promise. Now we want to give them. It means say we go overdo them. We go do them. We go do and when they see the result, they go say, wow, we never expected this. But as at that time, it go done too late. So then they talk, they go say, now so they want to rig this election. But we the laugh. You know why we the laugh? Because now, how you want to rig election when you say the people that they themselves choose, say now Asue Ighodalo and Uhunmwonde rule us next. That was possible. And if you can still look at, they don't bring better candidates come out. The candidates when they go bring come out. Now the one where they know say oh they are low. Then they go bring come out. So that they will take and enrich themselves. You call they see and say they will call it by themselves. They fly private jets. Una will be voter, will be electorate. We not go see food chop. For that one we not go green. Why they laugh all of them and say una see this our incoming governor, Asue Ighodalo, for some continents, now presidential products. So we were there those states,
we dey happy say God and our ancestors use and give us cola, say make God repair those things for us. And I still be the only man wey talk say as he enter, he go continue from where our way can see governor for stop. So we don't want anybody we not understand governance, we don't know anything. When he be say before he talk, they must talk only for a year. When he be say they go teach us something, say today na campaign, do it like this. If you see this, you go see they make mistake. You say if I win as governor, I will declare state of emergency on road. Oh, now our excellency talk about that day go be just say I will say the past government bring do best since we for not see all this kind of thing. You don't understand. Now the person will say in one can follow Asue Ighodalo and Oge contest. You never hear they talk before. If they talk, you know they correct for months. That kind of person now, we can't get meeting for outside the country. They can't say they go represent us as governor. If you reach there, what's he want to talk? You understand? So we know say this election where they come so we don't win now. Because the women they with us. The papa they there with us. The youth they there with us. God, the ancestors of everybody there with us. So I not see any reason why we not go win. The only thing what I want to tell you now say on that day we know election they go. As you vote finish, protect your votes. Make sure say they count the result for your presence. Not follow anybody fight. Protect your vote. Make sure say 21st September mobilize everybody. We get voters card. They come vote for PDP.